Hi friends, welcome to Answers. So today it is the 94th episode in the science series. So today in science it is chemistry. So today we are going to discuss about what alkalines are, which are just bases, and what acids are, and why they react so much with each other. Yes. So let's begin. So first there's a thing known as the pH scale. Okay, the pH scale. So there's another thing known as the litmus test. So we find the pH scale of an object by doing the litmus test, right? So you understand? So the pH scale has a scale of 0 to 14. 0, 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Yes. So this is our pH scale. pH scale. So this is, as I said before, found out by the litmus test. Right. So, but what is a base and an alkaline first? That means a base and an acid first at all. So, okay. So let's take anything inside of like an acid, like vinegar, right? So inside vinegar there will be 100% hydrogen. Almost everything has at least one hydrogen atom. Yes, think about it. So there is a hydrogen atom, just a small thing, a proton and the neutron. Yes. So there exists a thing known as a hydrogen positive ion. So normally negative ion means there will be more electrons, like 2 or 4. But positive ion means there will be less ions. That means less electrons. That means no electrons at all. That means it's just a proton. It is base. Yes. So unless it has a charge, that means it's along inside a bigger molecule which has a positive charge, it won't be considered as H plus. Only if it is inside a bigger molecule with that positive charge. Right. It's kind of confusing to understand, but you'll kind of understand it later onwards. So things like vinegar can sometimes just send these atoms outside, send this positive ion hydrogen just outside. So these are kind of the donors. They give away their positive ions. Yes, positive hydrogen ions, that is. So then there's another thing known as bases. Okay, so bases are anything which will accept those ions. Yes, so bases will take those positive hydrogen ions and keep it with them. So donors are the acids and the bases are the one and only recipients. Yes, it's like just like donation in hearts or things like that. But just replace the hearts and organs and put the one and only hydrogen ion there. Yeah, you understand where it is going. So now let's just talk about the pH scale. So H7, there is water. The water which we drink normally, it is neither a base nor an acid at all. It's at the exact middle. So it's just neutral. Meanwhile, our blood, somehow the scientists found it out, is at a 7.3. Blood. Yes. So if it is closer here, closer to 0, that means if the pH value is lower, then it is more of an acid. But if the value is higher, then it is more of a base. Yes. So the highest one here can be taken as battery acid. The highest acid, that is. So battery acid, just the acid which is in your everyday batteries. Yes. So meanwhile in the bottom here, there is a thing known as bleach and other cleaning detergent stuff. Yes, bleach is a pretty big detergent. Yes. So you know that activity where there's a volcano like this. So you put some baking soda and then even some vinegar. So then one is a base and one is a acid. So the vinegar is an acid and the baking soda is of course a base. So they create a big explosion, a big reaction, right? Not exactly an explosion, but how does that happen? So as I told before, they'll just exchange the hydrogen ions. So that is one of the reactions. So this causes just what happens there. It will start increasing, and yeah, that is what happens. So yeah, this is for today about the one and only bases versus alkali. I mean just bases versus acid, that is. Bye.